Hey guys, so apparently Ulefone quietly released the Note 15, which is a super cheap smartphone. Like, it is expected to be very cheap, although I do not know its price for now, but because of its specs I believe this phone would cost less than $100. Anyway, in this video we'll explore the top features of the Note 15. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. So the Note 15 is a very thin device. It has a thickness of 8.9 millimeters and it weighs just 179 grams, which means it is very light as well. The device comes in different beautiful colors. The body material of the device is plastic, and at the back there is a round shaped camera module that contains 3 cameras and a flash. On the right side of the phone is the power button and volume keys, and there is the SIM and SD card slot on the other side. The phone has a 6.22-inch wall-drop notch display. The resolution is HD+, and the panel is IPS LCD. The device is powered by an unspecified quad-core processor paired with 2 GB RAM that is expandable. An additional 3 GB can be added to the device's original 2 GB RAM. And the internal storage of the phone is just 32 GB, which is also expandable up to 64 GB via SD. As for the cameras, the device sports an 8 megapixel primary sensor, and I believe the front facing camera is just 5 MP. The phone is backed up by a 4000 mAh battery, but unfortunately it doesn't support fast charging. And of course the phone runs on the Go version of Android 12 because of the low-end processor that powers the phone. Other features of the phone includes dual SIM standby, dual 4G support. It ships with a free TPU case. Also, the phone supports face unlock, but the phone doesn't have a fingerprint scanner. Another good thing about this phone is that it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. So these are some of the top features of the Ulefone Note 15. As you can see guys, this device is expected to be very cheap because of the specs that it packs. So if you'd like to share anything about this device, feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.